Continue.dev versus GitHub Copilot versus Cline, which is the best AI coding assistant. So AI coding assistants are transforming how developers write and debug codes. These free tools aim to boost productivity, providing smart code suggestions, context-aware complexions, and even inline explanations. But each tool has its own focus and workflow. So I'm going to give you a breakdown of comparisons to help you find the right fit. So let's start off with Continue.dev. So this is an open source local first AI coding assistant that integrates with VS Code and JetBrains IDEs. It runs locally on with your own models, making it ideal for developers who care about privacy, flexibility, and customizations. Pros: works with local or remote LLMs, for example, Llama, OpenAI, and Anthropic. Open source and free to use, excellent context, window management, and support chat and inline code edits. Cons: there are some requires manual setup, so especially with custom models, not as beginner friendly as plug and play tools, and the features still growing compared to commercial offerings. GitHub Copilot is AI powered code completion tool built on OpenAI's Codex. It integrates tightly with VS Code, JetBrains, and other IDEs to offer real-time code suggestions, boilerplate generation, and inline completions. Pros: highly polished and easy to use, great for boilerplate and repetitive code, wide language and framework support, constantly updated by GitHub, OpenAI. Setbacks: there is a paid subscription required after a free trial. Cloud-based raises concern for sensitive code and can suggest insecure or buggy code if not reviewed. Cline is a lightweight AI CLI tool designed to act as a developer co-pilot directly in the terminal instead of code completions inside of an IDE. It lets you ask questions, generate commands, explain code, and access documentation, all from the command line. Pros: ideal for terminal-focused developers, works with local or remote AI models, simple and fast for answering dev-related queries, and this is free and open source. Cons: no IDE integration, CLI only, still in early stages with limited polish, and it does require LLM API keys or setup.